So the pet farm which we are going in is in Lonavala, and we stopped by to have some breakfast. And this is my brothers. They are gossiping about something. We got some hot chocolates from Starbucks, and along with that, we also had some poha. The weather was pretty beautiful that day, and it was really cloudy, and we were actually enjoying the weather too much. And the view was just boom, lit. So we reached there, and you can see the farm was actually pretty beautiful. And now we are headed to get a band, or you can say the ticket, the entry one. And now we're going inside. After we reached there, they offered us the complimentary breakfast, and they had pasta, idli, sandwiches, and waffles. They were pretty tasty. Okay, now it's our turn to go inside the pet farm, and this is the treats for animals, and this is Candy and Buddy, if I'm not wrong, and they were actually pretty friendly. Well, this was a bird cage, and there were many beautiful birds inside of it. Unfortunately, I didn't go inside of it because I was pretty scared. I don't know why. I was very scared to go inside of it, and you can actually see me there. I'm outside. These are the baby horses, and they were so happy and energetic. Also, there was a guide who was instructing us most of the time, and he told us that you should feed the particular treat to the particular animal. Out of all the animals I saw in the pet farm, guinea pigs, they were the most friendly one, and they were actually quite calm, and they were just sitting on my lap. And this is the baby guinea pig. we also did horse riding, and it was quite fun actually. After the horse riding, we went straight to home.
Hello, hi. We're trying veg Frankie, and the ingredients are like these: julienne of carrot, some cabbage, capsicum. This is the masala. These are some sauces, and then we have onions over here. So
It started.
we go for it.
Right.
And here we go. And here we go. There's a first layer of some. There's one sauce. So the first one is going to be a bit trial. Then we have our aloo ka tikki, the masala.
Stuffings.
Stuffings.
Cabbage.
Who doesn't eat onions? You eat onion, right?
No, in this I will eat. I don't like the uncooked ones.
This one it is. And some paneer. And this is a masala.
And the Frankie was very yummy. And this is the next day. It was sort of raining. I think it was a sandstorm in Mumbai, and we were just sitting in the balcony and we were just taking the views. And these are the two dumb boys. And then we went back home, and right now we were in the cab, and the sunset was pretty beautiful. So I just thought I should capture it. I hope you guys subscribe for more. Bye.